Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can lock home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. This is home screen. If you swipe to the right side or left side, this is also home screen. You can modify home screen layout as of now. See here, I track this icon Prime Video, and I track this Snapchat icon. And if you want to remove anything, just long press on the icon and click on remove. So in this way you can modify home screen layout. Okay, as per your wish you can do it. But if you would like to lock it, okay, if you lock it, nobody or child cannot use it. Okay, so to prevent modification, just you can lock your home screen layout. Okay, for that what you have to do is just go to the settings of a phone here, then go to home screen, and here you will see one option, lock home screen layout. Okay, see here this option, lock home screen layout. Just turn on this button. Already it is turned off, so that you can modify. Now if you turn on this button, you cannot modify, you cannot track, move, you cannot delete whatever you want to do it, you cannot do right now. Okay, see here, I would like to move this Google Play Store, and it's showing that home screen is locked, home screen layout is locked. What it says, and I read it. You can unlock it in the settings. So if child uses your phone, just by mistake, they cannot alter the layout. Okay, so to prevent such accidental usage, you should lock your home screen layout. Later you can remove if you want. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.